Hello guys! Today I've got the Apple AirPods Max 2 and I'm going to show you how does the Find My integration works on your AirPods Max 2. So at first you need to open the settings right here. Now here open the HardReset.Info, yeah. Open your AirPods Max just from this extension and scroll almost all the way down. As you can see here, they have the switch, Find My Network. Make sure this tick is here now green, enabled. Then tap the Show in Find My, and as you can see, this is my current location, and these are my headphones over here. And now I can tap Find them, tap Find to find them. Now you're searching for a signal, and they are within area. I have been within reach, it's supposed to say, but it's not saying within reach. But as you can see, they are here. This is here, and now I can tap it to ring them. Play sound. Apart from that, here you can only play sound without finding them exclusively. And wait a moment, because the longer it plays, the louder it is. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it works. Apart from that, here they have Lost Accessory, show contact info when somebody finds them connect to them. Here they have notify when found, notify when left behind, and we can remove them from our Find My. And here, as you can see, if we zoom in that mouse, we can see the actually correct location. That's it. How it helps you, and goodbye.